Hello, I'm Karol, co-founder of SPIC and SPAN Home and Office Cleaning, a marketplace platform for cleaning services. We match private and commercial customers with top-rated cleaning companies in the major European cities. We understand how much a clean space matters to you. Whether it's your home or your office, we believe in providing a spotless, healthy environment for you and your loved ones or colleagues. Our platform makes it easier than ever to book top-notch cleaning services with just a few taps. Online booking, convenient payment methods, English-speaking cleaners, and customer support. These are just a few ways we got the extra mile to meet your needs. We value transparency, reliability, and quality. All the cleaning professionals are vetted and trained to ensure high standards. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is at the core of what we do. We aren't satisfied until you are. This is why we introduced the 100% satisfaction guarantee policy. Join the thousands who trust SPIC and SPAN for their cleaning needs. Experience the difference of a truly clean space. Visit us at spicandspan.net. SPIC and SPAN Home and Office Cleaning. Your clean space waits.